What's going on, guys? Just got home from work today, and so I get home and check out what I see. Look what's right here. It just came in the mail. This is a surprise I've been wanting to tell you guys about, and I'm super excited about it. So here we go. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Boom, chakalaka. Boom, chakalaka. Look what it is. It's the Invidia R400 exhaust. Or the cat back exhaust, I must say. So I'm pretty excited. Here's another little package that came with it. Guys, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am about this. I'm so excited to unbox this. I'm actually just got home from work, so I'm gonna go take a shower real quick. And then as soon as I get out, I'm coming over here and we're gonna unbox this for you guys. All right, guys, look at it. It's beautiful, it's big, and yeah, we're gonna open it. Guys, I'm super excited. So let's get this unboxing started for you guys. I'm super amped up to see what is inside here. Well, I know what's inside here, but I'm super excited to see what this actually looks like. And if you see my dog or my little kitty cat run through the video, just ignore that. You know, they're just being goofy. Uh-oh. There's so many packages. So many things, and I don't have enough room in my... Ooh, look at that. Nice. Alright, so there's the hardware, it looks like. Gasket, stuff like that. And then, Invidia sticker. So that comes with it. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. But, let's keep on trucking down to the good stuff. Alright, so I got these big old balls of, you know, foam and whatnot, just to keep her protected. Keep her protected. All right. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Check that out. Check that out. That's awesome. That's awesome. The welds on these are great. Like, it's really pretty. Good looking TIG weld. Good looking TIG weld. Pretty darn good. I'm pretty sure this is probably machined though, I'd imagine. Oh baby. Look at that. Look at that. That's super cool. I'm so excited about this. I'm just super excited about this. Oh. Alright, here's the exhaust. Here's the mufflers. Oh, let's move these out of the way. This is gonna be great. You know what? I'm taking these out of the packages. Alright. What we got now? Had to move that box out of the way. It was all up in my grill. I actually decided I am gonna take the stuff out of the packaging. Show you all. I'm so excited about this. Holy crap. I don't exactly know when I'm gonna be able to install it. Hopefully soon. Hopefully no longer than a week or two. But that video is definitely coming for you all. We're gonna have an install video of the catback Invidia R400 exhaust, which is this one right here, obviously. Oh gosh. This looks like we're about to shoot a damn potato gun off. Y'all ready for this? Are you ready to see the tips? Are you ready to see the tips? Just the tip? Oh, probably need to get this tape off. Bum 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 bum. Really? I mean, what the fluff? Bum 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 bum. Woo, baby. Let's go. Look at that. That's solid. That is some grade A stuff right there. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. You guys might not have seen this before. Check that out. Has the Invidia high performance on the side of it. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Little Invidia action right there. This is pretty neat, man. This is pretty neat. That's just one of them. Obviously, the other one looks just alike, so we'll leave that in there. But this is some pretty cool stuff. I'm excited. Excited to see what this is going to be like. Alrighty. So we took this out. Had to give it a look. Have to give you guys a look at it, too. I mean, that's just badass. Where it splits the exhaust off and everything. Oh. There we go. There we go. That's better. I mean, just look at that. That's so sweet. I mean, and then just look at the welds on this thing. It's insane how pretty they are. Really good welds. I think Invidia did a great job with this. At least putting it together. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put this on. Oh my gosh. It's gonna make my car look so much different. Just an exhaust. Alrighty. And last but not least, we got this bad boy right here. Right here. Man. It's actually not very heavy at all, which is nice. I mean, there we go again. The welds just look absolutely amazing. They did really good. They did really good. This exhaust is beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on. Guys, let me know in the comments what you all think about it. What do you all think about it, and are you excited for the installment video as much as I am? Alrighty, so we got one more little box to open. This is something else I had to order with it. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, check it out. Maybe they sent me something cool. Maybe they sent me more stickers. Probably not, but you can imagine what it'd be like. Alright. Box from the Grimspeed. Charlie. Personally packaged for you by Charlie. Thank you, Charlie. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, baby. So here we go. Here is the high performance sealing technology from Grimspeed. Ooh, and we did. We did get a Grimspeed sticker. That's awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I love getting stickers whenever I order new stuff. This is just the 3-inch cat adapter and everything. So I'm gonna put this on. Here's the hardware for it. And here's the seal as well. If I can get that out. So this is just something extra that I was recommended to get with the exhaust, so it seals 100% and doesn't have any exhaust leaks or anything. And we definitely want to be sealed up. We don't want any exhaust leaks because those are never fun. By the way, guys, also, holy crap, I'm kicking the stuff. By the way, guys, also, what I ended up getting all this stuff is where I got it from was subispeed.com. I'll leave a link down in the description, and I'll also put it down here in the bottom of the video or wherever my fingers are pointed at. I have no idea. But guys, that is it for the unboxing video of the exhaust. Let me know in the comments how you guys like it, and if you have any questions for me, I'd be glad to answer them for you. Thank you again for coming and watching my video. I appreciate that very much. Be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and get ready for this installment video, guys. I'm super excited about it, and I hope you are too, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.